What's up, everybody? It's your girl Amanda, the Buzzed Coach, helping women like you to lose weight and to live your best life. Okay, let's talk about natural deodorants. So if you're anything like me, you're probably always aware of the types of products that you are putting on or into your body. Wasn't always like that, but times have changed. And there has been this big product revolution where a lot of consumers are becoming much more aware of harsh chemicals and carcinogens that are in everyday household items that they've used, including deodorant. There actually was a study conducted about household materials that had carcinogens included in them, and I will include that link in the description. And the big brand deodorants like Dove and Degree, just to name a few, had harmful chemicals like parabens and aluminum in their product. So what's the big deal? Well, with constant daily exposure, it may actually cause cancer. Yeah. I'm not gonna mess with that. So I decided to make the switch over to natural deodorants, and the transition was pretty tough. I had been using regular deodorant for so long that my body kind of forgot what it was like to actually sweat like a normal human being. So it began adjusting. I was sweating so much more than I usually do. The smell. Don't even get me started with the smell. Like, think about dirty gym socks that are left in a hot car that someone just farted in. Sorry to be so graphic, but you get the point. I was frustrated, I was sweaty, and I was smelly. Not good. But after doing some super intense research, body's reaction to using natural deodorant was all normal because my body was just detoxing all of that crap. So I looked at it as a positive step in the right direction. Thank you, Jesus! While my body's detoxing, I decided to actually try a whole new type of natural deodorant, and that is Weleda. Weleda is a paraben and aluminum-free deodorant spray that contains trace amounts of alcohol to help the formula dry in your skin quickly and absorb faster. To try the spray, I made sure to wash my armpits, dry them thoroughly, and apply a generous amount of sprays to both my pits. Whew! Oh, you burn a little bit, huh? It's got a slight burn to it, but I kind of like it. I really wanted to test run this deodorant to see if it really works like it was supposed to. So, in the name of science, let's do an experiment. Let's see what happens. The smell is decent. If I took a lime and just set it under my pits, that's exactly what this smells like. I'm just gonna be smelling my armpits all day. I'm gonna be going out and about doing whatever I gotta go do. Take some note of what's happening under here. Just did some grocery shopping. I loaded about 5 pounds of groceries. I'm feeling pretty okay. I have maybe a little bit of moisture under my arms. My car has been sitting out in the sun, so I am starting to heat up even more. So no smells, no major moisture. I would think everything is kind of pretty good so far. So now let me get out of here. Running with the devil! Alright, all the groceries have been brought inside. I'm going to up my game a little bit and do a couple of things outdoors to kind of help my sweat game on, and then we're gonna tell who's gonna win this round. Ooh, it's hot. Damn, it's hot in here. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna get out of this hot, sweaty car and get my sweat on a little bit. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna let my breath die down a little bit, and that's when I usually start sweating. So far, so good. Feeling pretty dry, which I'm very surprised about, and still no smells. No smells. We'll see what's gonna go down in the next couple of minutes. It is a little cold out here. That's probably why I'm not sweating as profusely as I want to. So I'm gonna hold myself back up in my car again without the air conditioning on, and then we're gonna see what happens. Has this been open the whole time? All right, I'm just gonna sit in the hot car, get the sweat session on. And as a disclaimer, do not do this at home because that's dumb. But for the sake of science, I wanna do this. Show you all how this deodorant works. That's how much I love you. Please subscribe. When I get home, I'm going to do a sweat test and a smell test to see how this deodorant is working out for me. Oh, it's so real, you guys. I am sweating right now. All right, I'm gonna head on home before I die of heat stroke. I'm home! So I've been stewing in my own juices. I even went to the beach after doing that whole run just to kind of get my blood pumping even more. So now is the moment of truth. I'm going to take off this sweatshirt. I have another shirt underneath. I'm going to do a smell test. Here we go. It's totally cool to undress in your kitchen, right? Back of my shirt is still a little kind of wet from the running expedition, and so is this part of my shirt. So I did totally soak through this. Okay, let's give it a sniff. I don't smell anything. It's a miracle. All I'm really getting is just the slightest smells of citrus, which is what I applied earlier today. Besides that, you know, that's all I'm seeing here. Oh yeah, and there's pieces of my sweatshirt just dangling in here. After a big rigorous workout, I was able to not get smelly. Fantastic. And a few days later, I noticed that my sweating had actually started to regulate. I was feeling so much better and not smelling like a garbage can anymore. I mean, that was awesome. Our experiment was successful. Science! If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, you know what to do, so that you can see more helpful reviews, tips, tricks, and health-related fitness tips from me to you in the future. Well, everybody, that's all for me. I will see you all next week. My voice just cracked there. Bye, everybody!